Nature walks provide countless opportunities to infants and toddlers to learn new words, discover new sounds, and explore different textures. When you go for a walk with your child, describe for him everything that he is observing and listening. Emphasize in colors, shapes, sizes, and sounds. Invite your child to make the sound of the animals he is seeing. When your baby starts walking, allow him to walk in different surfaces. This will help him improve his balance, strengthen his muscles, and build confidence in this new skill. Don't forget to smile and enjoy this time while creating great memories with your child.